Welcome everyone. I am Dimitri Pereira. Thank you for joining me today. I'm excited to introduce you to a fun and engaging word guessing game that I've developed. Its name Mad Word Guessing. The concept of this game is simple yet thrilling. The player will be presented with a secret word that they must guess by letter. Player makes a wrong guess, they will be reducing the total mark. Then, while we are waiting, we can run this application and see how it works. Let's go. First, we have to install this application to our Android simulation device. We got our username activity page. Then we have to in here type our name to start the game. Let's give us some random name for this field. We can start our game. We got some secret words to guess. We can enter any letter to check if this letter is okay. We got our first guess is right. It's the E, but we failed at 3 times. Then we have only left 7 guesses instead. We can try scenario how it works. Then we can check how many letters is there. There has some hint. There has 9 letters in our word. Then we can check how many same letters are there. Oh, one given letter. We giving T as a letter and how many occurrence in this letter. Then we have a 2 times occurrence of letter T. Then submit T once. Then again we can submit T. As we know the word, we know there has another E for this word. P, R, I. Before that, we got some. If there has a sound about rhyming word, bettering. Word is catering, then the rhyming word is bettering. Then we can submit our last letter and word is okay or wrong. Yes, we submit our word catering. It's okay. We got final score 60. We got 181 seconds to submit this. Let's check what's the rank that we got in here. We got the rank as 7. There has a more users this application. They are globally connected to this application. We are using the third-party voting application named Teamdo. Then we can play a game button. Then we can use a refresh button to regenerate our secret word. Then we can check in here. Then we can check in here. We got a new secret word for guessing. Then again we can check how many letters is there. Otherwise we can check a letter occurrence. Then we can check a letter W occurrence. W occurrence 2 times. Then we can submit it. We submitted 2 letters right now. Three, 4, 5, and 6. Oh, on this there has some error. No rhyme words available. The secret is wand flower and badly we have no tip in here. Let's submit this word. Obviously, right. Yes, we submitted this word. our final score is 80. The previous game mark is 60. Then our rank will be comes to the as rank number 5. When we play again and again, we got the best score. The best score is replacing by the previous one. Then in here, what's the happening with this rank update? Then now we are in the rank number 5. We got 80 marks in 127 seconds. Then we can play as another user. Okay, we come to the login page. Then we can play as Sarath. Otherwise, we can play as another new user. Then we can play as Ihan or Satura or any other name. When we get the Ihan's account, then we can log out and check. Yes, they has a 2 accounts, the Sarath account and Ihan's account. Then we can play as Ihan. The word is coming for this. We can check this letter. So we can check if this letter occurs many times. Yeah, I number is set 2 times in there. We have 95 score in 27 seconds. Let's check what's the rank with that. We got a rank number 4. Yeah, so some 100 marks in players. Then we have ranked as rank number 4. We can go to the ranking to check. We haven't played again. Just visit to check ranks only. Yeah. We have 9 players in this account. We have 2 players. This is my application. We can close it and run it again to play another time. Then the accounts are in here. We can play as Sarath or we can play as Kian. Then check our coding part. In here we have a first username activity. That's the page that represents the login page. Then we have some user list in here. We have store users details in our mobile phone or device. Then we can select our user. Then we come to the main activity page. In the main activity page, there has a onCreate function. We have used some SSL utilities to trust all certifications because we had to use Greenlow and another API Ninjas API. That's the reason we have those certificates. That's why we have to prove that all the certificates are valid. Then there has some intent, the player game, the displays, the stopwatch is there, and fetching the secret word. When fetching the secret word, you can go fetching the secret word. This the API ninjas use the random word. Then the random word to the lowercase and store as a secret word. Then there's submit button, initialize game, Then there has some notification ready to play error. Then we have a reset game. In the fetch setting another words to in the finish game. When the finish game, the scores are submitted to the our dream loop. In here we can check our Dreamloop account, dreamloop.com. In here we can player name, score, and how many times he or she. And also in here we have some tips, which means we use some rhyming words. Let's check it. Yes. There has a function tip similar. In here we use a rhyme method of this API in class. Then we have to pass our secret word, then get some rhyming word. We rhyme that word. Then there has some tip to rhyming words. The rhyming words comes only the answers after the 5 cases. In here we have attempt number. That means we have how many times we submit the submit button. Then attempt time is more than 5. The tip is comes for us. That comes as only the one time for one secret word. Then we know we put some wrong answers, we minus the 10 marks from our account. We got some tip that will number of occurrence. There will be a 5 minus marks and number of letters. That also gives us a minus 5 marks. In here we can see number of letters and number of occurrence methods. And the finally score calculate is here. This is the main activity page. And then we go to the ranking activity page. This page is cool. This page is the authorized for the show a ranking for us. It has a player name, the score, current game time, and the recycle view for show all the details from the global users. In here, this is our application activity page. More than that, there has some Java classes named participant class and participant adapter for get the rank, score time for all the users. Then the ranking activities there, ranking by their score and time, and submit the score task. That means we need to submit our scores to Dreamloop. Then the user class, then also the user adapter class. This is one for blogging process. Then we have some layouts, activity main layout, the main page of our application, then the activity ranking page, and activity users, then some recycle bits. These are all about my application. Then I hope you get valuable insights about my application. Matt Word Guess. Thank you for watching this video.